Hi there, my name is Lucia, and I would like to talk about GDPR and how it relates to Google Analytics. If you have a Google Analytics account, you probably received an email that looks like this with an important notice for data processing terms for the General Data Protection Regulation, abbreviated as GDPR. Now, first, I would like to address what this is and if it applies to you. GDPR replaces the existing protection directive that was introduced in '95 and has been created by the European Parliament, the Council of the European Union, and the European Commission to strengthen and unify data protection for all residents of the European Union. Now, one common question is, does GDPR apply to companies outside of the European Union? And the answer is yes. Similarly to UK compliance post-Brexit, GDPR regulations apply to foreign companies outside of the European Union that collect, process, and hold the personal data of European Union residents, regardless of their location. Next, I would like to address in my video how you can find where to find the new amendment in your Google Analytics account, how to accept it, how to change your user and data retention settings, and whether you need to address your privacy policy on the website. So first of all, let's talk about where to find the amendment. Once you log into your Google Analytics account, you will see on the left-hand side the menu, and the very last item on the menu is Admin. You click on Admin, and then in the first column on the left, you'll see Account Settings. Click on Account Settings, scroll down, and there will be a button that's called Review Amendment. Click on Review Amendment. Make sure you read the terms before you accept. Once you have read the terms, click Done. If you agree and accept, click Save. So this is the first step. Now the next step is we would go back. I can use this arrow here, or I can click on Admin again. We would go back to the Admin menu, and in the middle column, I click on Tracking Info and I choose Data Retention. Once you're here, where it says user and event data retention, most accounts are set to 26 months. Make sure yours is set to do not automatically expire. Choose that option and click Save. Please note that this is a recommendation from Blackfin, and if you have more questions about GDPR or need more clarity, please consult with a GDPR expert. Also note that if you are actively involved in business in the European Union, you should consult with your lawyer or GDPR expert. The next point I would like to address is the privacy policy on your website. This is what we're advising our clients. Your privacy policy, if it doesn't have these items, it should be updated, but your privacy policy needs to address the following items. Who is collecting the data? What data is being collected? What is the legal basis for processing the data? Will the data be shared with any third parties? How will the information be used? How long will the data be stored for? What rights does the data subject have? And how can the data subject raise a complaint? If you need to update your privacy policy, please send us the updated verbiage, send it to your account manager at Blackfin, and we will post it on your behalf to your website if we have access to it. If not, you can post it on your own. Please note that this is due no later than May 25th, which is next Friday, May 25th, 2018. Additionally, if you have a newsletter or send emails to a subscriber list, you should make sure that your email provider is also GDPR compliant. That's all I have for this video, and you have a great day.